What's the difference between Easyref and Pureref? In Easyref, you can create a group of image references like this. You will have some references, and if I select another group, I will have other references. As you can see, like that, you can concentrate on different parts without having to change the preset of the references. It's automatic. Let's see, I will go to this one, I will have this my references, and as you can see here, the view will change because I stored some views. If I select this one, now when I will go back to the teeth, I will have this one. Same for the head, I stored some views. You can add references from your computer or also from the clipboard. If, let's see, I come here, I will copy this image, I will go back to Blender, I will just click here to copy it from the clipboard. I can move it, I can scale it, change the opacity, rotate it, etc., etc. And now my image is in this group, and if I change, as you can see, it will be only in this group. You can also add images to cameras, like this one. You can change the focal length to fit your references. You can add as many cameras as you want. You can also create references for the ortho views with this part here, and this is as simple from your computer, choose the direction, or from the clipboard. Okay, so let's exit. You can also, if you want, show the reference view. I will hide this to show you here. I have all my reference here, and I added the reference into collections. That means I can, just by clicking, concentrate on the images I want to work on. You can also, let's see, I want to add this part to the hair collection. I will come here, I will paste it from the clipboard, just move it where are my hairs, and move it to the correct collection, like that I'm sure to have it in the proper collection. And now if I click, as you can see, I will have this. If I go back to this one, I can select the hair. I will just select this one here and just add a new image, and boom, that's it, I have a new image. Same, if you want, you can, let's see, select all of that, create a new group, let's name it nose, and just click on add images. Let's close the reference view now, and I have the images I selected for the nose. And like that, as you can see, you have full control over everything. Let's select, let's see this, let's store the view, and now I have my nose with the references I wanted. So you have full control over your references with Easyref. This is really nice.